Every time you use ChatGPT, every time an AI model runs, somewhere inside a data center, thousands of chips are talking to each other through copper wire. Copper worked fine until AI arrived. AI moves so much data between so many chips simultaneously that copper is hitting a physical speed limit. The wires are becoming the bottleneck, and the solution isn't a new chip, it's changing the medium entirely. From electricity to light, one small company in Texas has been quietly building the components that make that possible. Its stock is up over 1,000% in the past year. A major short seller just called it a bubble. Welcome back to Ticker Talk. One stock, 5 minutes, no jargon. Today, Applied Optoelectronics. Ticker AAOI. Inside AI data centers, chips need to pass data back and forth billions of times per second. Copper does this through electrical signals. The problem? Copper generates heat, loses signal over distance, and has a hard ceiling on speed. Optical transceivers fix this by replacing copper with light. Data gets converted into pulses of light, fired through fiber optic cable, and converted back at the other end. Faster, cooler, no signal loss. At the speeds AI now demands, 400 gigabits, 800 gigabits, and now 1.6 terabits per second, optical isn't optional. It's the only thing that works. Applied Optoelectronics makes those transceivers. It also makes the lasers inside them. It manufactures most of what goes into its own products, which matters when demand surges and supply chains break down. The customers are the biggest cloud companies in the world, building AI infrastructure as fast as physically possible. Here's where the story gets interesting. 2025 revenue, $456 million, up 83% from the year before. 2026 guidance, over $1 billion. Management isn't projecting this, they're saying demand already exceeds what they can manufacture. They don't have a sales problem, they have a production problem. To fix it, they're spending $150 million on the largest AI-focused optical transceiver facility in the US, due by summer 2026. In March, one hyperscale customer placed a single order worth over $200 million for their next-generation 1.6 terabit transceivers. The company isn't profitable yet. Full year 2025 EPS was negative $0.26. But Q4 came in at negative $0.01, which was 12 times better than analysts expected. Margins are expanding. Losses are narrowing fast. 3 reasons bulls are excited. 1, the demand is structural, not cyclical. You cannot build a modern AI cluster using copper. Every data center being built right now needs optical transceivers. This spending isn't discretionary. 2, AAOI is ahead on the speed curve. The industry is transitioning from 400G to 800G, with 1.6T just beginning. AAOI is already shipping 1.6T at volume. Every time the speed standard advances, customers replace their components. That's a recurring revenue event. 3, they make their own lasers. NVIDIA has reportedly locked up laser supply at competitors through 2027. Companies that depend on outside suppliers face constraints AAOI largely avoids. In a supply-constrained market, that's a real edge. The other side is equally credible: customer concentration. A large portion of revenue comes from very few buyers. If one shifts supplier or builds in-house, which hyperscalers increasingly do, the hit is severe. Citron Research publicly shorted AAOI in April 2026. They argue the valuation assumes NVIDIA-level margins on a business with far lower gross margins, limited pricing power, and execution risk in scaling manufacturing. Citron isn't always right. But they've done their homework here, and the company is still unprofitable. Scaling from $456 million to $1 billion in 12 months, while building a new 500,000 square foot factory, introduces real risk. If capacity lags, revenue misses. If it overshoots demand, you've built a factory too soon. Tariff exposure also adds more uncertainty. Here's where I land. The business case is real. Copper has a physical speed limit. AI has exceeded it. Optical is the answer, and the transition is happening now. Applied Optoelectronics makes a product hyperscalers genuinely need. The $200 million order is in the filings, and the manufacturing expansion is under construction. But the stock is up over 1,000% in 12 months. At $11 billion market cap on $456 million of last year's revenue, you're paying for a very ambitious execution plan, not a guarantee. May 14th is the first real test. If Q1 revenue hits $150 million or above and margins hold, the bull case strengthens significantly. If they miss, the stock tells you immediately. That's the episode. Ticker AAOI, the company making the optical wiring AI data centers now depend on, up 1,000% in a year, guiding for $1 billion in revenue. Not financial advice. Do your own research. If you found this useful, subscribe. New stock every week, 5 minutes, no jargon. See you next episode.